It's okay. There you go. You got it.
Yay.
You got it. Let's see if it asks you to do the same on the other side or it has a different.
Nope. Well,
It wants you to do something else. All right. So it wants you to get one more of those funny pieces. I'll get this. Oh, wrong one. Here, that one.
Okay. So we put it in the hole above with the long piece going in, short piece coming out.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Let's just press that button to make sure. Yep, you are correct. I always rather make sure. Since how hard, we've seen how hard it is to take one of those bits out.
Oh, okay. So I'm guessing it's gonna go in the one above.
So you press it.
Oh, the one above that one. Okay,
Is
so
it
it's
one
a
of the
medium piece.
same medium pieces there?
And this time, the short piece goes in.
Cool.
Wait, what about last time? Wait, this side?
Yeah, so now it needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5-piece. Let's see.
A five small piece. This one.
Yeah, you got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
And press the button so we know. Okay.
Okay,
Awesome.
so one humongous one sticking
out. Okay, are you sure that's the way?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, I think you are correct.
Because a longer beat
Yep.
does come out.
In the next video, we're going to continue on. Thanks for watching.